So today we're going to be doing an oil change on a Gen 2 Prius, and you're going to need 5 weight 30 oil, a 14 millimeter socket, and a gasket for the drain plug, and some oil filter pliers. I just get the adjustable ones so you can use them on different size oil filters for different cars if you need to. But yeah, you'll probably need those. It'll make your life easier. And you'll need something to drain the oil into as well. All right, oil change. We're gonna put jack stands. So jacking up the back on both sides. Pop a couple stands under. We're just gonna throw a little rag in between the stand and the pinch weld, and then drop her down. So upon further inspection, we just need the one. You can get to everything with just one. Passenger side jacked up, there's the filter, and then drain plug right here, 14 mil. So let's get the top opened up, oil cap, let the pressure out, and then we'll get our bucket and some cardboard under it and drain it out. All right, we got our dipstick pulled to help release some pressure, and we got our cap off. And now we're gonna get up in here with our 14 mil, yep, and then crack her loose, let her drain. Beautiful. Also may or may not have drops. Damn it. Maybe hold on to this next time. All right, got that bad boy cleaned up all nice. Now we're gonna get this guy installed. So I was putting the drain plug back in, and that little guy fell down. I don't know what the hell he's doing. Bro's tweaking for real. Beefery. All right, now that we're done with that, we're gonna plug this bad boy up. We've got a nice little gasket on her. I'm gonna pop her in. Just tighten her up. All right, we got that all snugged in. Nice and tight, not too tight. Now we're gonna move on to that guy. Yeah, she's leaking. Gotta have that pan ready for the filter too. Should get you off guard and dump like a cup of oil in your face. That's what we need. Nice little drippity drip, 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 drip. And we'll take her out. What kind of filter is this, man? Purolator? I've never heard of that before. Okay. Put that down there. Come over here. And we're gonna flip this over. I'm gonna lube it up. dump some new oil in the filter. And then we'll put her back on. Got that. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, too much. Too much. A little too much. It's in. It's in. Alright, we're gonna just hand tight her in. I'm gonna wipe down all the oil. And then we'll fill her up. Alright, we got the dipstick back in. We got the funnel in. Now we're gonna put 3.9 quarts inside. That's beautiful. Alright, we put about 3.8 maybe. And now we're gonna start her up and check it and see what level we have on the dipstick. Just gonna let her run for a little bit. That does not look good. We gotta bump those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers, pal. Alright. Let's check it out. Alright, so I don't know if you can see, but that line right there, that's the oil line. And the bubble just popped. And it's right there, right on the top, right below the top dot. So perfect. We're gonna leave her, and yeah. Went on a little spare Prius drive, and look at what we found. Little Isuzu who's been fork lifted. Okay, still got the steering wheel though. Vroom vroom.